Many congratulations to Stuart Broad taking 500 test wickets. Amazing achievement. I think it is an amazing achievement. I mean, most of the cricket fans remember him from the time 2007 he got hit for the 6 sixes in the T20 World Cup. But after that he has been so consistent throughout the years, bowling as a pair with James Henderson, complementing him very well, consistently enabling England to win so many test series at home. Against away from home performance has not been that impactful, but he's been such a reliable bowler. He's complemented, as I said, along with Henderson, he's complemented him very well. James Henderson, being a swing bowler, sometimes will get the ball to seam. Broad has been mostly a seam bowler, good line and length, and from a good length he would get the ball to seam. So most of his dismissals are caught behind, caught at slip, LBW, bowled. He's also a 5 kilometers an hour almost average, on an average higher, faster than Henderson. And it's I think has not been has a little bit underappreciated throughout the years. The way he came back after being dropped in the first test, that is also speaks of his desire to continue in test cricket. I mean, really good to see him come back so well. Although personally I was disappointed that West Indies did not bat that well. They should have put up more of a fight. I was extremely disappointed with Shai Hope. Shai Hope looks so good, such talented player, so fast movements, looks so good. I think he has a very much better record recently in the limited format, but somehow we could not, just always kept getting a good delivery, kept getting caught behind. But again, Stuart Broad needs congratulations. It's a big achievement, massive congratulations to him, and I hope he keeps going for it. Will be good for England because Anderson is almost at the last 1 to 2 years of his career. I don't think he'll be playing every single test from now on. So I think Stuart Broad as a senior will become the senior most bowler, along with Jofra Archer coming into the play. Mark Wood is also not that good. He just still had a little bit of pace. Who else would be his team partners? Let's see. Vokes is an all-rounder, Stokes is an all-rounder. Both of them provide good support. Fast medium bowlers. Archer is there as a spearhead, fast bowler, out and out fast bowler. Sam Curran, more of an all-rounder mold. I can't think of anyone. I may be missing someone, but new ball partners. Anyway, but Broad needs congratulations, and I hope he keeps going. It was a good series. Pure hardcore test cricket lover. I really enjoyed this series a lot. Looking forward.